Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best tasting chili for your hot dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are chili powder. I'm using adobo, all-purpose seasoning, or you can use the seasoning of your choice, ground cinnamon, yellow mustard, Worcestershire sauce. I have some onion diced up, 3 large garlic cloves minced, shredded cheese, brown sugar, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, hot dogs, and hot dog rolls. Okay guys, I have my cast iron pan. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add in my ground beef. And now I'm going to break down the meat, and you want to make sure it's broken down into very small pieces, no chunks. Okay guys, as you can see, the meat is broken down very small. You don't want any chunks in there because you are putting it on hot dogs. Now we're just going to go ahead and add some chili powder in. And also our cinnamon. And we're going to mix until well combined. Next, add your minced garlic to the top of your meat and mix until well combined. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my adobo all-purpose seasoning and mix that well. Okay guys, next I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix so everything is nicely combined. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Worcestershire sauce. And also our yellow mustard. And mix until well combined. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to mix that until well combined. Okay guys, now is when the time that you taste it to see if you want to add anything else to it. Okay guys, the chili is now done, so I'm going to go ahead and get my hot dogs ready. Okay guys, I have my cast iron grill pan. All I did was brush on some vegetable oil, and I'm going to go ahead and let our hot dogs cook and get some nice grill marks. Okay guys, so our hot dogs are done. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and put them into the buns. Now we're going to dress them up. Okay guys, so you can start to put your chili on. Also guys, if your chili is a little bit too thick for you, you can add some beef broth into there. And just mix it real good. Okay. Now you can add some shredded cheese on top. And whatever else you would like on your hot dog. Okay guys, so there you have it, your chili dogs. Remember guys, make the hot dogs and add whatever you like on yours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.